the overarching question that people are asking, attorney, is why doesn't she just turn up and face these allegations? Because the thing that we keep coming back to is this is due process for her as well, right? Hindi lang for the accusers, hindi lang for the complainants, but it's also a chance for her to finally clear her name.
O hindi ba, kaya nga sabi niya, di-file it, impeachment, trial tayo sa Senado. Ano ba tawag mo noon? She's willing to face it. Kaya nga sinasabi niya, file niyo na. Nagmumuro-muro pa kayo dyan eh. Alam niyo na naman na ipapile niyo yan. Ba't niyo pa pinapatagal? You know why pinapatagal nila dyan sa Committee of Justice? Because they're using this procedure to be a forum and a platform for free publicity to continue destroying the reputation and character of PRRD as well as the daughter. Yun lang naman ang ano nila. Para sa kanila yon dahil eleksyon 2028, kailangan nila yun eh. Libre ang publicidad.